Hello! In this tutorial, I would like to show you the easiest way of adding a patient and uploading examination to the platform just in a few clicks. Okay, let's click on the button Add New Patient. So instead of filling in a bunch of information to this card, you can simply just tick over here and add a new patient by uploading DICOM file. Patient details and examination by itself will be pulled from that DICOM file. So select the DICOM file from your computer. Okay, I can see that uploaded data is here, so to finish it, click the button Add Patient and Examination. In the patient list above appears New Patient with automatically generated patient ID, patient name, birthday, etc. And from the right-hand side in examination list, we can see the added examination that we have just uploaded. So just like that, in a few clicks, we created a new patient and uploaded examination using the DICOM file. Pretty much in the same way, you can easily upload examination. Click Add New Examination button so you can either select the patient ID and upload your data over here. But in case you realized at the step that the necessary patient hasn't been added yet, so you don't have to go back to add a patient. You can quickly do it from here, simultaneously uploading examination and creating a new patient by ticking it over here. Okay, so just select the necessary file on your computer and click Add Examination. Okay, we can see uploaded examination and of course created patient over here. Okay, I hope this was helpful and see you in our next tutorial.